Welcome once again students to your maths online class. So my dear students, in my last lecture I have given you some revision sums related to your chapter number 1, that was your day 16 assignment, in which I have given you 4 questions as your revision work. First question I have given you to form the numbers, in which I have given you 2 parts. Second question I have given you 4 parts, in which I have written to insert comma and write the number names. 2 parts related to Indian system and 2 parts related to international system. Then in question number 3, I have given you 2 parts to arrange the numbers in ascending order, and then in last question I have given you again 2 parts to arrange the numbers in descending order. I hope you all have done these questions correctly. So today is the day to check your answers. I have sent this PDF to you. You can check your solution from PDF. Along with it, I am explaining these questions to you right now. So pay attention here. See, in your revision session, question number first, I have given you to frame the numbers. Then what I have written in first part 4 in the hundreds place, 8 in the ones place, 7 in the 1 lakhs place, and 2 in the tens place. So this was the information, and according to this information I have told you to form the number. See students, here the highest place is lakh place. So first of all we will write the place values in short form from backside: ones, tens, 100, and we will write till the highest place, that is till lakhs place. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Now we have to read it and arrange the number accordingly. 4 in the hundreds place. So in 100 place we will write 4. 8 in the ones place. So in ones place we will write 8. 7 in 1 lakhs place. So in lakh place we will write 7, and 2 in tens place. So in tens place we will write 2. See, this was the only information given in the question. There is no information regarding 10,000 and 1000 place. So what we will do? In place of 10,000 and 1000 we will put zeros. If no information is there in the question, then in that place we put 0. And then after writing the number, you have to put comma according to Indian system. So as I told you, first comma from 3 digit from backside, and then before 2 digit. So second comma will come here before 10,000 place. So this is your answer. Question number first, A part. Then B part is 3 in the tens place, 7 in the thousands place, 5 in the ones place, and 1 in 1 crores place. Here you can see the highest place is crores. So we will make our place value chart till crores. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores. So here I have mentioned the places. Now one by one I will mention the numbers here. It is written 3 in the tens place. So in the tens place we have to put 3. So here I have written 3. 7 in the thousands place. It's thousands place, not 10,000. So in thousand place we will be writing digit 7. Then 5 in the ones place. In ones place we have to write digit 5. And 1 in the 1 crores place. In 1 crores place we have to write digit 1. So I have mentioned 1 in the crores place. See student, only this information was given, only 4 digits were given in different places. Other than that, no information is given regarding 100, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh place. So what we will do, as I have told you here, we have to put zeros if no information is given. So the places which are empty, there I have mentioned 0. Now I will put comma according to Indian system. So before 3 digit, then before 2 digit. So this is our answer, 1 crore 7,035. Okay. So this is the B part of question number first. Then in your question number 2, I have given you to write the number name 2 parts according to Indian system. So see, the very first part, I have given this part, and then I have mentioned that first of all you have to put comma according to, this is Indian system, so we will put comma according to Indian system only. So before 3 digit and then before 2 digit. Okay. Now read it. Till how many places the number is given? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. It is given till crores places. So firstly we will mention the places in place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crores. See students, the solution will become easy if you will mention it in place value chart. If you will mention the number in place value chart, then it will be very much easy for you. So see, the number is 865. So we will start writing it from back side. Just wait, let me check the question is correct or not. It is 5, 6, 7, 8. After 6 it is 7 and then it is 8. Okay. Double 2, let me write this part again for you. It is double 2, 3, 4, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the number. Now I am putting the comma. So before 3 digit, 2 digit and 2 digit. So now our question is till 10 crores places. So I mentioned till 10 crores places. Okay. 1 digit I have skipped here. So after checking, I have corrected your part. So this is your first part. Now I am mentioning it in place value chart. So from back side 8, then 7, 6, 5, 2, 4, 3, 2, 2. Okay. Now you can see that I have mentioned the values in the place value chart. After mentioning the value in place value chart, to write the number name will become easy for you. These 2 digit we will read together, these 2 will together, this separately, and these 2 are again together. So firstly read these 2 numbers. It is 22 and it belongs to crores period. So first of all we will write 22 crores. Then these 2 I have told you we have to read together. 34 belongs to lakhs period. So 34 lakhs. Then this 2 we have to read together. 25 belongs to thousand period. So 25,000. 100 place is always read single. So 600. And then finally these 2 we will read together. 78. Okay. So like this you have to write your number name. I hope you have done it correctly. Then the second number is 1187678990. Yes, this is correct. Now first of all put the comma before 3 digit, 2 digit, 2 digit. Indian system, so we will put like this only. It is also till 10 crores places. So we will put the values in place value chart like ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crores. Okay. Now I am arranging it in place value chart from back side. 0, 9, 8, 7, 6, 7, 8, 1, 1. Put the comma. Now start writing the number name. Again these 2 together, these 2 together, these 2 together. This is single and these 2 together. Like this we have to read it. So we will start from crores period. The 2 digits are 1, 1. That means 11. So we will write 11 and it belongs to crores period. So 11 crores. Then 87 and 87 belongs to lakh periods. So 87 lakhs. Then 67 and 67 belongs to thousand period. So 67,000. 8 will be read as alone, that is 8, and 8 is belongs to hundreds place. So 800 and these 2 will read together 90. So like this, you will be writing your second number name. 11 crore 87 lakh 67,890. Fine. So this was your B part, and then your C part. And in your C part, it is to arrange the to write the number name as per the international number system. The number is 1029394887. Okay. So in international system, firstly we will put the comma, and comma is placed before 3 digit. So first comma will come here and second comma will come here. So we will be writing it in place value chart according to international system, and it is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. So this is the place value chart as per the international system of numeration. So start writing the numbers from backside. 7, 8, 4, 9, 3, 9, 2, 0, 1. So here we have mentioned the digits in the place value chart. Now we will start reading it. And how we read it? Here 100 place is with all the periods. So 100 will be read as single. 100 to million. So it will be written as 100. And then these two together, so this is 0. So we will not read 0, we will read only 2, and it belongs to million period. So 102 million. Then again 9 is on hundreds place, 100,000, that means on 100 place. So it will be read as single, 900. Then these two together, 39,000. And then finally 4 will be read as single, 400. And then finally last two numbers together, 87. So like this you have to write. Fine. Now come on D part. The number is 3400988090. Put the commas according to international system, that is before 3 digit. Again this number is also given till 100 million. So we will mention the places: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. Okay. Now arrange these values in the place value chart from backside. 0, 9, 0, 8, 9, 0, 0, 4, 3. Okay. Now we have to start writing its number name. As I have told you, this 100 place will be read as single. So 3 will read single. Then here is 0. We will not read 0. Here again is 0. So we will not read 0. So here from here we will start 300. So write the spelling of 300. And then these two will be read as together. So it will be 40, and it belongs to 40 belongs to million period. So 40 million. Then here 0 is there, digit 0 is there. So we will not read it. We will read these two numbers, and it belongs to 1000 periods. So after million you will write 98,000. And then again here it is 0, so we will not read it, and then we will read these two numbers together, 98,090. So this is your number name, 340,098,090. Okay students, so this was your question number 2. Now let's move on to question number 3. In question number 3, I have given you two parts to arrange the numbers in ascending order. So these are the two parts. First part is 999008091, 990809099, 4 times 9 80089, 998998998, and then 9908769990. So we have to arrange it into ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to greatest. So first of all, we have to find the smaller number from these numbers. For that, as I've told you, when I have explained you chapter number 1 that first of all you count the number of digits in all the given numbers. So firstly we will count the number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So all the numbers are having 9 digits. Okay. So we cannot compare it by counting the number of digits. Now we will focus on the first number. So the first number is 9 in all the cases. Move on to the second number. Second number is also 9 in all the cases. Then move on the next number. Third number is 9 here. 0, 9, 8, 0. So these three numbers are the greater one. These two numbers are smaller because it is having 0, 0. Now from these two numbers we will move on to the next digit 8, 8. So this is also the same. Move on to the next one. After 8, it is having 0 and it is having 7. So from these two numbers, which one is smaller? Obviously this one is smaller because the fifth digit is 0 and here the fifth digit is 7. So this one is smaller. So firstly we will write 990, 80, 9099. So this is our first smaller number. After this, the second one will come. So you have to put this sign, less than sign, because this is less than and the next one will be greater than this number. So this number we have already arranged. So you can cancel this number once that you have arranged it. Now this is out of the series. Now these 4 are the remaining numbers. So obviously this one will be the second number because it is having 999, 999, 998. It is having 990. So obviously this one will be the second number. So 990, 87, 6990. Now this one also we have arranged. Now again you will put the sign of less than because this is less than, next one will be greater than this. Now 3 numbers are remaining. From these 3 numbers we have to search which one is smaller. So 999, 999 and 998. This is having 999, 999 and 998. So which is smaller? 998. So third number will be 998, 998, 998. Okay. So this one also we have arranged. This is also out of the series. Now the next, from these two we have to choose which one is greater. So see, 999, 3 digits are 999. Move on the fourth digit. It is 0 and it is 9. So obviously 0 is smaller than 9. So the fourth number will be 999008091. And then finally this is also out. So finally this will come at the last, which is the biggest, greatest number. So like this we have arranged it in ascending order. Same way we have to arrange the second part also in ascending order. So for that, firstly count the number of digits in each number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these numbers are also having 9 digits. So we cannot compare it according to the number of digits. So we will see the places only. So 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. First digit is 4 only. Second is 3, 3. Here it is 5 and here it is 3. So this is greatest number. We can find it easily because the second number is 5, rest all are 3. So this will come at the last. Now we have to compare from these numbers that which is smaller. Move on to the next digit 5, 5, 5, 5. Third digit is same. Move on to the fourth digit 4, 6, 6 and 5. 4, 6, 6, 5. So which one is smaller? This one, first one only. So we will be writing it the first number 4, 3, 5, 4, 6, 5, 7, 8. Now this is smaller and the next one will be greater than this. So you have to put the sign of less than here. Now this one is out of the series. Now which is remaining? These 3 numbers because this will come at the last. See the fourth digit 6, 6, 5. Okay. So 6, 6, 5, these both are equal. So we will take the smaller number, that is 5. So the next number will be 4, 3, 5, 5, 5, 4, 6, 7. Again you will put the sign of less than and this number is also out of the series. Now from these two we have to check. See, fourth digit is same here. So we will move on to the fifth digit. Here it is 7 and here it is 8. So which is smaller? Yes, 7 is smaller. So it will come 4, 3, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So this is also out of the series. Now this and this is remaining. So obviously, as I told you, this is the greatest number. So on fourth place, this number will come 4, 3, 5, 6, 8, 7, 9, 0, 9. So this is also out of the series. The last number is obviously 4, 5, 3, 4, 6, 7, 6, 5, 7. So like this, you can arrange your second part of ascending order. Now, let us move on to the last question, question number 4th, to arrange the numbers in descending order. And descending order means to arrange it from greatest to smallest. Okay. So, descending order, greatest to smallest. Count the number of digits firstly. The same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So all the numbers are having 9 digits. So we will search the greatest one. So the first two digit, first three digit even I can see are similar. Not only first three, first four. 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. So these four digits are same. So we will directly move on to the fifth digit. So the fifth digit is 2 here. Here the fifth digit is 1. Here fifth digit is 8. Here fifth digit is 1. And here again fifth digit is 1. So 2, 1, 1, 1 and 8. So obviously 8 is greatest of all. So first of all, this number will come 2, 2, 3, 4, 8, 7, 6, 9, 5. Now this is the greatest number. So the sign of greater than will come here and this number is out of the series. Now these four numbers are remaining. Again, we have to see the fifth number only. So these three are 1, 1, 1. So obviously this 2 will be greater. So on second place, 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. This number will come. So this is out of the series. Now these three numbers are remaining. Now the fifth number is same. So we will move on to the sixth number to check. So the sixth number is 0, 0, 2. So from 0, 0, 2, 2 is greater. So will come this number 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1. So this will be your third number. So this is also out of the series. Now these two are remaining. Now you can see that sixth number is same. So move on to the seventh number. So here seventh number is 9 and here seventh number is 0. So from 9 and 0, 9 is greater. So the next number will be 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 0, 9, 8, 7. So this number is also out of the series. So the last number is 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 0, 0, 9, which is the smallest of all the given numbers. Okay, students. So this was your descending order A part. Now B part of your descending order. Again, count the number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again, 9 digits are there in all the numbers. So we will see the first two numbers here, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So these all are same. So we will move on to the third number, 8, 8, 9, 1, 9. So 8, 8, 9, 1, 9. So 9, 9. These both are the greatest number and both are same. So we will move on to the fourth number from these two. So here the fourth number is 9 and here the fourth number is 3. So obviously this one is greatest of all. So first number will be 1, 1, 9, 3, 8, 7. This one will be your first number. Put the sign of greater than. Then this number is out of the series. Obviously if this is out, then the second greatest will be this number because its third digit is 9 and the remaining third digit is 8, 8 and 1. So this will be your second number 1, 1, 9, 3, 8, 4, 0, 0, 9. Put the sign of greater than again. Now the third number will be here. The third digit is 8, 8. Same. So move on to the fourth digit. Here the fourth digit is 7 and here the fourth digit is 4. So from 7 and 4, 7 is greater. So this will be your third number, 1187678890. Now this number is also out of the series. Now it's very easy now, because here the third digit is 8 and here the third digit is 1. So from 8 and 1, 8 is greatest. So 1, 1, 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 will be your next number. And then finally at the last, this is also out of the series. So finally at the last, this one is remaining. So 4 times 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will be your last number, that is the smallest one. Okay students, so this was your revision sum of chapter number first, which I have given you in assignment, and this complete answer key is available to you all in today's PDF. You can go through it to check all your solutions. Okay, and then after that, in today's assignment also I have given you revision sums related to your chapter number 1 only. Just see, in first question I have given you to write the values in standard form, or you can say short form. It is given in expanded form and you have to write it in this way. Okay, and in second question it is given in standard form and you have to write it in expanded form. Okay, so the second question is the reverse of first question and the first question is reverse of second question. Then in question number third, you have to find the predecessor of 50 lakhs. Then in fourth question, you have to write the successor of 43,99,999. And I hope you remember, predecessor means -1 and successor means +1. So solve it. Then in question number 5th, I have given to form the greatest and the smallest 7-digit number. Okay. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits are given and you have to write 7-digit number. So when you will be writing the greatest number, so the greatest digit will come 2 times. And when you will be writing the smallest number, so the smallest digit will come 2 times. So try to solve it, and then in next video you will get the written solution of these questions. Then in question number 6, I have given you 3 parts, in which first part you have to round off the number in nearest tens. Second part you have to round it off to nearest 100, and in third part you have to round it off to nearest 1000 place. Fine students. And then finally in question number 7, I have given you some Roman numerals which you have to write in Hindu Arabic numerals. So 4 parts are there. Solve it properly and then stay tuned for the next online class to get the answer key of your day 17 assignment. Okay students, so that's all for today. Meet you all in next online class. Till then, please take care of yourself and thank you for watching today's class. Okay students, bye.